Welcome to our video on how to use Sonofit. In this video, we will provide you with the dosage, instructions, and recommendations for using Sonofit effectively. So, let's get started. The first thing you need to know about using Sonofit is the correct dosage. It is important to follow the recommended dosage guidelines to achieve optimal results. Let's discuss the dosage in detail. Based on your age and specific needs, the recommended dosage for Sonofit may vary. It is always advisable to consult with your healthcare professional or refer to the product label for the exact dosage instructions. Now that you know about the dosage, let's move on to the instructions for using Sonofit. Using Sonofit is simple and easy. Just follow these steps. Start by shaking the Sonofit bottle well. This ensures that the ingredients are properly mixed, providing you with the best possible results. Next, use the provided measuring spoon or dropper to measure the recommended dosage of Sonofit. Make sure to measure it accurately for the best outcomes. Take the measured dosage of Sonofit and consume it orally. You can either swallow it directly or mix it with water or juice according to your preference. To achieve the best results with Sonofit, we recommend following these additional recommendations. Consistency is key when using Sonofit. Make sure to take it regularly as advised by your healthcare professional or as mentioned on the product label. Skipping doses may affect the effectiveness of the product. Sonofit works best when combined with a healthy lifestyle. Ensure that you maintain a balanced diet, exercise regularly, and get adequate sleep to support the benefits of Sonofit. Congratulations! You are now equipped with the knowledge of how to use Sonofit effectively. Remember to follow the dosage, instructions, and recommendations for the best results. Thank you for watching.